double, and you know they could be overcharging. Their customer service may be poor, and going off from the reviews that you guys have, and just what I can see in you guys, if you guys were in those top positions, you know, a lot of people would be thankful for that. So with that being said, I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. If you want to talk before that, my phone number is 570-536-4151. And just to kind of explain everything that I went over briefly, we went over content. You need at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. We went over citations, which is your business's name, address, and phone number listed across the web in different directories. You want to at least have 100 to 200 of these, swamp out the competition, get on top, and also, like I said earlier, get your guys' name out there in other directories, so when people are searching for the services that you guys offer, they can find you guys. And third, I went over backlinks. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at you guys, and that's to show Google you are the authority, you are trustworthy, and you are legit, and you're an actual website business. I have access to a pool of powerful citations and backlinks, so that's nothing you would have to worry about. Look, like I told you, the reason I reached out is I felt drawn to this website, and once I looked at the reviews and, you know, your Facebook and whatnot, I felt almost compelled to have to reach out and help you guys. I see that you guys are a family business, and like I said, I do my research, but I would absolutely love to see you guys in these top positions. You know, I don't know what these top position businesses are like, but just going off from the reviews that I read and what I feel for this website, I believe that you guys deserve to be in these top positions, and I would love to help get you there. I know how to get you there. And yeah, so like I said, this is Ashley. My phone number is 570-536-4151 if you want to talk before tomorrow, but if not, I will talk to you tomorrow at 2. Have a great one and stay safe. God bless.